Hello parents and students, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So by profession, I'm a professor and by qualification, I'm a chartered accountant. Apart from that, nowadays we're approaching the final examinations as well as the board examinations. So the need of the hour is to ace these examinations. How could you ace these examinations? By following some quick tips and tricks that I'll be discussing with you all today in this video for the 15 minutes additional time that you get just before the paper as your reading time. So let's begin. Number 1, prepare yourself. Think in your mind that this is the examination and you're going to ace this examination with full confidence. In the 15 minutes, tell yourself, this is a wonderful paper. Yes, I can do it. Number 2, cross-check your examination paper. So be it a CBSE, ISC or HSC board paper or any paper for that matter, do make sure that the paper code matches the code which is given on the board. Also make sure that all the pages of the question paper are printed and are given as per the number of papers given on the board. Make sure that there are no printing mistakes or the number of questions that the teacher tells you are there in the paper. Don't wait for the last minute to panic that a particular question is missing or there is a printing mistake in your paper. Number 3, analyze the paper as per your preparation. So already take the paper and mark out all those options which you want to attempt first because your preparation is great there and you feel really strong about them. And also eliminate or cross out all those questions which you feel like might take a little longer or you feel like I don't know this at all. So the ones that you don't know at all are going to be completely crossed out. The ones that you need to attempt first, mark it with a 1, 2, 3 so that you know I have to start with this and the paper goes smooth. Number 4, divide your time meticulously. So general trend is that 3 hours are given to you for a 80 mark paper. Now how do you divide your time? 1 mark should not take you more than 2 minutes, but I suggest you go with half of it. That means a 1 marker should not take you more than a minute, a 3 marker should not take you more than 5 minutes, and so long as a 6 marker should not take you more than 10 minutes and an 8 marker, which is the highest number of marks allotted to any question, should not take you more than 15 minutes. If you follow this pattern and this conservative approach, then only will you be able to finish your 80 marks within 3 hours and you will be left with around 5 to 7 minutes to also check whether you have completed all the questions, you have answered, you've written all the question numbers, and you'll get some time on hand to solve the questions probably which need some more time. So definitely give it a try by using the conservative approach and divide your time meticulously. Number 5, do the rough work. Now once you're done with all the 4 points that I told you, take some time out with a pencil just against the question, start doing your rough work. If it's a accounts paper or a mathematics paper, something where calculations are required, write down the formulas that you remember or write down the numbers that you feel are important or underline the numbers that you feel are important for you to get the answer. If it is a theoretical paper, then you could write down the headers or the pointers to each question in pencil just against that, or the short forms that you all have created in terms of learning the answer. So that when you start writing the paper, you just have to elaborate on the points and it saves you a lot of time. The 6th point, solve the easy questions in your mind at first. So whether there are the MCQs or the fill in the blanks or the true and false or the one-liner questions, solve it beforehand. As soon as you read the question and you know the answer, just write down the answer, but in a pencil. Do not make the mistake of writing anything with a pen on your question paper, as it is accounted for as cheating or copying. Also make sure that whatever you're writing on the question paper is allowed. If in case the teacher explains that this is not allowed, please do not do that. So guys, I really hope these simple tips and tricks are extremely helpful for you all to ace your examinations with the help of just some 15 minutes reading time given to you right before the paper. If you do like these kind of videos and you want me to give some more cool tips and tricks for your children, or you want to discuss it for your friends, please do let me know in the comment box given below. And also, if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and you should also subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload it. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.